Let's learn how you can fix mail app not loading emails on iPhone. So first thing you want to check is if you are connected on stable internet connection. Then if you are but still doesn't work, you can open control center and open airplane mode, hold it for 10 seconds, then turn it off and try opening mail app again. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try and go to mail application and just, for example, go to, if you are connected to Gmail, go back, and as you can see here, it will appear every mail you have. You can go to all inboxes and check if your mail is there. If it's still not, go to settings. Now on search bar type mail, then go to mail accounts and check if account you want to check is there. If it's still there but doesn't show the mails, you can go and delete that account here and then click delete from my iPhone and add it again. If it still doesn't work, you can go to applications and just swipe up and try again, or restart the device. If it still doesn't work, go to mail app, delete it and install it again from App Store. So it should fix this problem. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.